Tyler.
Yo, Pete, what's up?
And Ross.
Yo.
Okay. Brandon.
Hi.
And our final producer, Jack.
What's up?
Okay, here we go. For this stunt, what we're going to do, we're going to be in this cart with protective gear.
Where's our babysitter?
Shh, no.
Okay, never mind.
Okay, we're going to get in the cart again that we used when Ross got hurt. And someone's going to be out here holding these broken skateboard pieces, and we're going to use this bat. Watch out, Tyler, you're blocking the bat.
Yeah, Jack.
And we're going to use that bat and hit it. Here we go. Let me get in. Yeah, I know. Let me get in. I'm going to get my revenge.
Brandon, you're pushing me. Hey, where's the big jacket?
I have it.
I don't send this for jacket.
Oh, shoot. Brandon!
No, don't get too close, please. We have to hurry up. I've never been in this.
Oh.
Ross, this is so close to your head. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Go.
Come on, hurry!
Get it, Brandon, come push me. Oh yeah, I have to push. Oh, get me in the seat, please.
2 charges left.
No, Ross. No. Hey, no, Ross, someone has to be holding it.
I will! Sheesh!
No, we have to get a good view. Hey, Kim, here's our guest, Kim.
Oh, Kim, yeah, our guest.
Get out of the road. Okay, Kim, can you... No.
He's our guest star.
No. Okay, here. No, okay, now hold the camera. No, hold
He's
the
our
camera.
guest star. Hold the
Okay,
camera.
Now, Ross is going to be holding...
Wait a second. Does your mom let you do this?
Yes. Yeah.
You swear?
Come on. We have to...
Diana, you heard this.
Shut up!
You heard this, Diana.
Shut up! This is our video!
Oh.
Not a grown-up video. Okay, here we go. You're gonna... Okay, come close so you can see us. Come like right here. Right here. Muscles. Okay, come right here.
Okay.
Okay, now, what you're going to do is you're going to be showing right here, and Ross is going to be holding one of those broken pieces.
Okay.
Ross, stop. Move. He's going to be holding one of those pieces, and I'm going to hit it with the bat in the cart. Just sleep right there and get up.
You are not gonna hurt my hand. Get it on me and follow me. Ross, get in the road. You have that. Give me the bat. Wait, give me the bat. This is gonna hurt so bad. What is? Bye, friends. I'll see you. Never. Come on, Ross. Hold it out over here. Hey, hold it. Don't hit me. No, go back. No, turn around. Scoot back. It's gonna hit me. No, scoot back. Dude, that's too small. It's too small. Keep moving quick, big. Hold on. Hurry, we have no time. Go. Go that way. A newspaper. Tyler, newspaper. Move back. Newspaper. Okay. No, Brandon. Give me back. You're not gonna be on the edge.
I got a baby flower.
Tyler,
Moved off
you're
some
gonna push him in
sour
that
candies and put it on the bottom.
Aw.
Now look
Beautiful.
at it stays. And go put it white.
No, let me do it so I can get a good view. You're not supposed
Lick
to
it.
be pushing.
No, lick
Oh,
it.
you're supposed to push. I know.
Aw.
No, don't let me go. Go back, quick. We have no time. Come on, we have no time. Don't go in the road. I'm gonna get it ready. Okay, no, you're gonna push back. Don't let go. I will fall. Go. Be fast. I will. Move, Ross. Oh yeah! Okay. And we'll continue these stunts tomorrow.
Bye. Hey, get everybody. We're all bye-bye.
Bye.
Peace. Say your ending.
What's up?
Ross, your ending.
Yo.
Your ending.
Bye.
My ending.